mowing. Came loose. I think it's just that little rod right there. That orange rod needs to be tightened into the faucet, so I'm going to take it apart. You can only spend so much time trying to fool around and make these things work, and then they end up not working. So guess what? We're replacing it because this stupid thing just doesn't want to cooperate. It doesn't want to work, so we're going to replace it. You could literally spend an hour just trying to fix it, and then it doesn't work. Stupid design. I will say the faucet designs have been getting better over the last few years. The way you mount them, stuff like that. So these are quite nice for being Glacier Bay. But the attachment method for these is such a better design than those stupid old Mullins. This thing, you push it up, and there's a little thing on top that'll allow you to thread it. And you can really get it tight. So I'll show you. Okay, so here's a challenge. So this angle stop for the cold right here. Jeez, man. So this one, see where my finger is? This one right here, that's 3/8. This one won't stop leaking. Will not accept this 3/8. It's just slightly too big. So that is, I think it's 7/8. It's I can't remember, but basically it's not 1/2 inch or 3/8. It's in between. It's like, I can't remember, but basically you got to have some adapters that will allow you to adapt to that, or you're screwed. So I'll show you what I got in the truck to overcome this issue. Doesn't rain very often in LA, but when it does, I hate it. Hate the rain, dude. Alright, as I was walking back to the truck, I remembered it's called 7/8 OD comp. So it's slightly smaller than 1/2 inch, but slightly bigger than 3/8. And Fluid Master makes this where you can basically adapt to anything. But I have a few left over here that I'll use. So here's a good example of 7/8 OD comp. This is 1/2 inch, and this is 7/8 OD comp. I don't know if you can tell on the video, but on the right is 1/2 inch, on the left is OD comp, 7/8 OD comp, and it's just slightly smaller than 1/2 inch. I think it's a California thing. It's quite annoying and pointless, to be honest with you. You don't see so many 7/8 OD comp angle stops anymore, but sometimes you run across them. These might be 7/8 OD comp adapters. I'm going to try them, but if that doesn't work, the way this works is this is the 7/8 OD comp. This goes on the angle stop. Then you have a 1/2 inch right here. So then I would take a 1/2 inch nipple and then adapt from the 1/2 inch nipple to 3/8. It's really a pain in the butt, man. But I have these it's 1/2 inch to 3/8 adapters. So, but hopefully, I think these are 7/8 OD comp. So we'll try these real quick. But this also I buy these because you can adapt to all of the sizes. So it's 1/2 inch on both sides, and they give you those little adapters. This says maybe it's 7/16. No, it's 7/8 OD comp. I'm positive of that. So anyway, let's go back in and give it a shot. See how this threads in, 1/2 inch side. If you take this out, you'll see that it is slightly too big to fit. That's the 7/8 OD comp right there. Stupid, huh? And now, let me set this down and I'll show you the difference between 3/8. So here's 3/8, and that's 7/8 OD comp right there. And then here's 1/2 inch. Stupid. I don't know why anybody would think that was a good idea, but I've heard somebody say that 1/2 inch angle stops is a West Coast thing, that everywhere else in the country is 3/8. So, all right. So let's test this now. All right, so I'm wrong. That's not 7/8 OD comp, because this was what was on there originally. So I think it's 7/16 comp, which is that right there, which is different than 7/16 slip joint. So one of these should adapt to the 1/2 inch, which this is 1/2 inch both sides. So the correct one is this bronzish one, which is 7/16. You just thread it on there, and now that makes that 1/2 inch. So then you can just thread this right on. I'm gonna tighten this first, but you just thread that right on, and then we adapt to that side. 7/16, 1/2 inch. The hose goes to 1/2 inch nipple, 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch adapter to 3/8. That's how you do it. Well, that's how you improvise, I should say. All right, there you have it. It's all good. Soap dispenser made a mess. It's all right. No leaks. Well, that one took a long time. I tell you, kitchen faucets can take a long time, dude. So, anyway, that's that.